Okay, so now that I made a cool stand that'll hold my phone camera thingy here, you can see this is the disc. Let's check it out. Here's what we do. Go ahead. Now you'll notice a noticeable good improvement when you do it the first time, but sometimes if you got some pretty deep scratches, it takes a couple of times. Actually, sometimes if I get a deep scratch, I'll use some auto-bitey wet dry sandpaper, about 3,000 grit, and use water with it. And you can kind of use the sandpaper, and work around the area. Can't just work straight on the scratch. You got to kind of work the whole area where the scratch is to make an even layer, keep the layer even. If you wear it too much in one spot, it distorts the image coming through the plastic. So I do that, and hopefully you'll be able to see this, but as I start to apply the thing, you'll see that it's moving the disc in the opposite direction, and I kind of use my finger here to slow it down, because otherwise it'll just spin like crazy. Okay, and so here's just the first pass. This is just the first shot. You can see that is already a big improvement. As a matter of fact, that'll probably play just as it is, but I'm going to run over it a couple of more times here, and then I'll show you the final product.